Now we're going to take off the valve cover. Without the bolts holding the valve cover on, the valve cover just pries off. What I like to use is I like to use a flathead screwdriver, and I'll place it on the seams. And instead of using a prying motion, I'll use a twisting motion. We're now going to go around the valve cover to release the gasket from all sides. And then we're going to lift off the valve cover. Be careful, there's going to be a little bit of oil and fluid. And there you go. Now we're going to move on to the other valve cover. We're going to remove the coil packs, just like the other side. And we have the 6 bolts that we're going to take out, and that's going to release the valve cover. That's going to allow us to take the tension off the timing belt and remove the other components inside the head.